Thank you so much for watching the Press Avenue YouTube channel. My name is John, and I like to help people by creating WordPress tutorials to help both your business and anyone that uses WordPress as a website. Our website's pressavenue.com. Right at the top left of the menu, we have an Ask a Question area, and here is where somebody asked how to install an SSL certificate on Cloudways. So Cloudways is quite simple to use. They've kind of simplified the whole process, making everything a little easier than other hosting platforms that I've used. Their website's over at cloudways.com, and you can get in for about $10 a month. The plan I'm on is the $10 a month plan. If you scroll down here, I read a bunch of reviews on which kind of platform I should use Cloudways with. So you can have Google Cloud, Amazon, Vultr, Linode, or DigitalOcean. Across the board, I found that DigitalOcean was the most recommended, and it was the cheapest, so it's kind of easier to try out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I've already logged into Cloudways with the username and password that I made. And when you first get in here, you see it says servers or applications, and then it shows a server down here. I'm going to go ahead and click applications, so just click it over. Applications are essentially your WordPress websites if you're using it for WordPress, and I am. So I have this site here, learn.pressavenue.com, and I want to add an SSL certificate to it because right now it's completely not secure. So there's no SSL certificate on here, and it definitely doesn't show the little lock because I don't even have it installed. So I'll just simply come back here. I'm going to click the application that I want to do. If you click the wrong one, you can change servers in the drop-down, or you can change apps by clicking the drop-down here. So once in here, it's pretty straightforward, and that's what I like about this. I'm pretty sure the user that asked hasn't seen the back end, which is just fine because I'd never seen it before I'd signed up. But here it is here. Obviously, some things are blurred out due to security, but what I'm going to do is go down to SSL Certificate, and you have the choice between a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate, which is free, or you can do a custom certificate, which you can create a CSR, upload, etc. So I'm just going to do the Let's Encrypt one. I think it's just fine with me. And then down here, it tells you what it's doing. So it's going to create a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate on this server by providing information about your application, aka website. This will override any existing SSLs that you may have installed. If you need more information, click here. So we're just going to put in my email address for this SSL certificate. And then the domain name. In my instance here, it's a subdomain. You can have a wildcard, which allows you to have either a www or a non-www. Have the same certificate apply for both. That's entirely up to you. Next, I'll click Install Certificate. And what I love about Cloudways is things happen very quickly. So if you just first sign up for Cloudways, it takes about maybe 5 minutes to provision a server and get everything ready just for you, which is great. Typically in the past, I've seen other companies take up to 2 days to do this. All right, so right now it says, please wait while Let's Encrypt install, so we'll just wait for a minute. All right, so it just installed. It says up here, it says Learn. I can click here and get details. Let's Encrypt certificate installed successfully. So there it is, it's now installed. One thing about Let's Encrypt is they expire. So every 90 days it expires. So maybe on your own server, you'd have to renew or have some kind of script to do that for you. Cloudways does that for you, and they have a button in order to do it. So right here, it says auto renew. Enable auto renew on your Let's Encrypt certificate. I have that enabled, or you can perform on-demand renewals by clicking Renew Now. This will extend the expiration of the Let's Encrypt certificate to 90 days. So say I log in tomorrow and I want it to be renewed immediately, I can click Renew Now, and then that 90 day will stay true. If you don't want it to renew for whatever reason, you just simply turn it off right here. Or if you wanted to add a custom one, you can turn it on right there. So if I come over to my website now that I added it, and I hit refresh, Let's do. So what I've done is I've done HTTPS, not a refresh, excuse that. So HTTPS instead of HTTP, and then I have my learn.pressavenue.com. And you see right here, I have the little lock, and now my connection is secure. If you do this and you have a connection is insecure, or only some parts of it are secure, we have other videos that we've made in the description to help you with that. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I'd love to know in the comments if it helped. I like reading them and seeing how we can help you guys out. If it didn't quite work or something's amiss, please also let us know in the comments, and we'd love to answer your questions via video. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and click the little bell, and YouTube will let you know when there's new videos just like this one. And lastly, we have a WordPress group now, so we can better facilitate discussions that you may want to have and questions. And it's at facebook.com/group/pressavenue. You can see my face right there. Go ahead and click join, and I will let you in, and we can talk about WordPress and how we can help you. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, thanks again for watching this video. Right below me is a circle. If you click that, you can subscribe to this channel. Click the little bell, and YouTube will tell you about more great videos like this one. Right next to it's a square that brings you to our website, so you don't have to type anything. And right over here, we have best of videos and our most recent upload. Check them out.